We are learning today sum, SUMIF, and SUMIFS functions of Excel. Sum is the total of a given range. Like we use sum function this way, we use sum, and we put sum function this way, and total of this column will appear as the sum of all the numbers. Another is SUMIF function. SUMIF function is very simple. If a criteria is given, the sum of those given criteria will be available. SUMIF function works like this: SUMIF, which range where our question is available and what is the criteria. Suppose from this range of criteria, I need to make total of Ted Cook. Ted Cook is our sales manager, one of the sales managers. I want to check what is the sales value made by Ted Cook in this given range, and I need to total all the sales. So this function will give us sum of total sales made by Ted Cook out of this range. So this is the total of Ted Cook with his total sales. So these are the values given for Ted Cook. We can check the total of Ted Cook, that is 5,62,877. Similarly, if we go for SUMIFS, what SUMIFS function does for us? SUMIFS function is more than one criteria. SUMIFS function is used for more than one criteria. So SUMIFS function is used when we have more than one criteria. Suppose in the same question, there are different regions or different zones are given for Ted Cook where he sold his products. Our sales manager Ted Cook made sales in USA, UK, and Australia. So what this SUMIF function will do? SUMIFS function will do total of a particular zone which we require. Suppose we are looking Ted Cook and he made sales in UK. So UK is given only one time here. Suppose we do UK at two places. So the system, this function will give us total of this and this only. We will try how this function works. Put SUMIFS function, press tab, then sum range. What are those values we require to make sum? Sum range is this, directly values. So this is the basic difference from SUMIF. In SUMIF function, the sum range is put in last of this formula. But in SUMIFS function, this is the first requirement. Then make comma, and now we will give criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 means we are looking for Ted Cook. We are looking for our sales manager, one of our sales manager. Then the criteria. Put a comma, then our criteria is this. Either you link this because we have put our sales manager name here, or you can make quotation marks and directly type his name. Put a quotation mark and type his name directly here, Ted Cook. Then put your another criteria range. Another criteria range is this. This is zone of our sales managers where they sold their products. And the criteria, second criteria is UK. Either you choose this cell or you can directly put UK in quotation mark here. Now close the parenthesis and here is your value. So our sales manager Ted Cook made sales of 4,18,447 in the zone of UK. You can make a total and check this. Here is 4,18,000. So that is it. These are the simple things. These are the three main functions where we can make total of our numbers in different methods. Thank you so much.